Welcome to how to see GPS location on Google Maps. So in this video we are going to show you how to see GPS location on Google Maps. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is we'll just simply go into the Google Maps here. Okay, and now let's suppose that if we wanted to get the GPS location of this part here. So what I will do, I will just simply tap on this part. Okay, and here we will get the GPS location. So this is the GPS location, so we will just simply tap on it and it's copied. Now if we move to some else locations, somewhere else, and we put those coordinates here that we just copied and tap on search, it will basically take us to that specific location. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.